If your aerator gets clogged, and it often will, you'll start to lose water pressure coming out of your faucet. It's a good thing that the fix is as easy as a good cleaning. Here are the materials you're going to need. A rag, an old toothbrush, and a pair of tongue and groove pliers with masking tape on the jaws. The masking tape will prevent the pliers from marring the metal finish. When you're cleaning out your aerator, you should actually consider replacing it with a low-flow, high-efficiency aerator. This one is made by Neopearl, but other companies make them as well. What's important to look for is the water sense or lead label. What it'll do is help you conserve water every time you run your faucet. Anytime I do a project around a sink where there's a drain, I always put a rag down so if something falls into the sink, it won't go down the drain. Now on some faucets, the aerator might be hidden in the nozzle, but on others like this one, it'll be really obvious. It's right here. This one, it's in the nozzle, and I can feel it right here. Can't unscrew it by hand, so I'm going to use these tongue and groove pliers. Once you get it loose, just unscrew it, and there's your aerator. Now you need to take it apart. You're going to push out any washers, any screens. Just remember the order that you're taking it out in because you have to put it back together in the same order. If you have a lot of mineral deposits, you'll want to soak it in vinegar and water, but not for too long because it could mar the finish. And if you have a special finish, check with the manufacturer. Okay, once you've brushed everything away as best as possible, rinse it through. Okay, now put it back together in the same order. And you just screw it back in place. First by hand, and then you snug it with your pliers. That's it. Now that's good pressure.